We have snow. Oh. Jesus Christ. This is my garden. My wheelbarrow. It's getting pretty wild out here. There's no stopping. Even the tops of the roofs have started to fill up again. I cleared this part. I cleared my steps this morning. And that's them now. Which is pretty deep. Like in fact it is, but a few inches. And top of my shed's like a I'll show you what the streets are like here. And all the roads are like this. They're just mine. And this is the pavement. And this is the road. This is my car. Stuck. And it doesn't seem to be stopping. This is a local road. This is just my street. Can't get the car in the driver's not even point trying. I reckon how thick it is, but it hits me feet. I'm stuck. Bye! But the trees do look half a bye.